Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Dulces Enchilados. So first off, the ingredients you'll need will be powdered sugar, chamoy, tajin, lucas, and then your choice of candies. I'm going to start off with 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and then I'm going to combine this with the 2 tablespoons of chamoy mix. Then you're going to go ahead and mix everything until it's a nice liquidy consistency. Then you're going to go ahead and put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And then while you're doing that, go ahead and mix your lucas and tajin mix. This is kind of up to you, eyeball it how you want. For the first batch, I did 2 small bottles of lucas, and then I just kind of eyeballed how much tajin I wanted. Now you're going to grab the choice of candy that you want. And then you're going to go ahead and drizzle the chamoy sugared mix over it. Then you can start mixing. And then go ahead and put your wet mix into the lucas and tajin mix and mix it all up. And then you're going to repeat the steps for your next choice of candy. I was able to make 6 jars, 2 large ones and 4 small ones. And this is how you make Dulces Enchilados. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.